This is Michael. Every day, Michael sits down and edits the same boring videos. No one's watching, he's not making a dime, and he thinks that's all the editing world has to offer. But here's what Michael doesn't know. That phone in his hand, it's could literally change his life. With just a few banger edits, he could go viral and start making real money. Yeah, real money from just a few seconds of content. But there's one problem. He doesn't know where to start or what make an edit blow up on short or reels. What's up guys, I'm back, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to find the right clips in best quality, how to make your own new paper edit, how to actually edit like a pro, how to avoid reuse content penalties, and finally how to upload it in a viral way that you get more views. So if you're trying to going viral and actually make money from this trend, watch this video till the end. Let's not waste time. Alright, so to create your newspaper, first open up Google Chrome and search for Paper Animator. Then click on the first website that shows up. Click the launch button to open the main editor. Now on the left side on the screen, click on highlighted icon to open the panel. Here you can type anything you want, and just wait. The system will automatically generate your custom newspaper. Once it's ready, make sure to download it without watermark so it looks clean and professional. Alright, we're gonna use YouTube itself to find the clips we need. For example, let's say I want to grab clips of Walter White from Breaking Bad. I'll just search Walter White clips. As you can see, there are tons of clips. Some even come as full packs, which makes things way easier. Just make sure the clips are high quality and without a watermark. Now let's talk about how to avoid getting hits with reuse content. Here's what actually trigger a reuse content strike: posting raw clips without any effects, using someone else's edit with zero change, just cropping or speeding up the clips without real editing. So how do you avoid reuse content? Let me break it down. Make your own edit, zoom, keyframes, effects, and transitions. Add your own voice or text voiceover, subtitles, or unique quotes. Combine multiple clips. Don't just use one strike scene. Use custom effects, including overlays, motion, and graphs. Write a unique title and description for your video. Import your clips into CapCut. You don't have to use Spider-Man. Pick any character you like, for example Ronaldo, Messi, Walter White, any character you want. Alright, add your music and line up the bits like I did, so everything stays clean and tight. Set your project ratio to 1:1, or if you prefer, go with 3:4. Now it's time to add the newspaper edit we made earlier. Set the speed to 4 or higher for a nice snappy effect. Then enlarge the newspaper so the main text is centered perfectly. If you want a gap between clips, just add a blank image and scale it down like I did. Now add 5 images of your added character and shirk them just like I did. Add a white overlay and scale it down. Make 2 copies of the overlay and place them on top of the next 2 images. Now go to the start of your clip and tap freeze to get a still frame. Head to remove BG section and tap auto remove to clear the background. Add 2 keyframes to your image, one at the beginning and one at the end. Are you okay, bro? My microphone is good boy. Click on the first keyframe and use the basic section to move the image down. Now go to the graph section and match my setting for smooth animation. Time to create a clean micro edit. Step 1. Open the curve and tab and copy my setting exactly. Don't forget to turn on better quality for smooth motion blur. Now duplicate your clip and tap reverse to flip it backward. Once reversed, go back to curve and apply the same setting but mirrored. Repeat this exact process for all your clips. Now it's time to zoom in and zoom out to level up your edit. For the first 2 keyframes, place 2 keyframes start and end and follow exactly what I do. Go to the graph tab and use this curve for first clip and the second curve for the second clip. Repeat this same technique for the rest of your clips. Yeah, it might take a bit of time, but the final results totally worth it. To give your edit a strong start, let's add a transition, call it rock horizon. Next, add a white overlay and change the blend mode to overlay. Now open the animation tab and select fade out. And that's it, here's the final result. Super clean and fire edit. Thanks for sticking around till the end. But wait. Now we are getting into the most important part. How to upload this video to YouTube, the right way to go viral. Sorry guys, it's so hot. I couldn't stand it. I changed my clothes, I'm sorry. Alright, now we're getting to the important part of the video, uploading our edits to YouTube. First of all, open Google Chrome and search YouTube Studio. Click on the first link you see. If you're on mobile, make sure to enable desktop mode so all settings are properly visible. And remember to take money from shorts. You need to get at least 10 million views on shorts within 3 months plus 1000 subscribers, or instead you can get 4000 hours of watch time with long form videos. On the top right corner, click create, then click upload video and upload your edits. Your title needs to be actual catchy and viral. For example, if my edit is about Spider-Man, I can write the best edit of Spider-Man, get out of the way, or something like that. These are just examples. Try to make your title even more unique and eye-catching ones, so you stand out in search results. Next, we got the description section. This can really help you get more views and even boost your earnings. The first 2 or 3 lines are super important. YouTube uses them to understand what your video is about. For example, Spider-Man makes Venom angry with his superpowers, and more. Find the audience section and make sure to select no, it's not made for kids. If you mess this up, YouTube might restrict your video, and it's called kill your views and earnings by up to 100 times. It's so important, so be careful. Scroll a little down, you'll find a section asking whether you used AI. Select no, because we didn't use any AI for this edit, and this section isn't relates to our content. The next 3 sections aren't important. You can just turn them off. In the tag section, retype the same hashtags you used in the description. The following sections aren't that important. You can leave them as default. For the category, it's better to set it to entertainment. Alright, scroll down, nothing much here. Let's move to the next step. At the bottom, you can link your short to a longer video you uploaded. This helps keeps your viewers on channel longer. Now we're at one of the most important parts, choosing the right publish time for your edit. Choosing the perfect time can really boost how viral your video gets. So, if your channel has been active for a while, go to analytics and audience, then check what times your audience is most active, and that's everything you need to know about editing newspaper style videos, properly uploading shorts, and how to start making money from them. If you found this tutorial useful, drop a like and click subscribe button. Peace.